Dear students, a very good morning to you all. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to this first class on Python. Let us discuss about what is Python and what is the use of learning this Python programming language and other topics related to Python also in today's class. Someone may ask you the question like what is Python? Then simple answer for the question like what is Python is that Python is also a programming language. Already you might have heard about different programming languages like C language, C++, Java, HTML. Like that only, Python is also one of the programming language. Then what is programming language actually? Already you know. What is programming language? The language whichever we use to program a computer. The language whichever we use to program a computer system. Program a computer system means you can give your instructions to do your work only. That is what the programming language. And already we know what is language. In our everyday life we use different languages to communicate with others, like we may use English language, or Hindi we use Kannada, Marathi, Urdu. We use different languages in our everyday work to communicate with others. Languages play an important role in our everyday life. Without language, it becomes difficult for us to communicate with others also. Here you can see in this image, ma'am is communicating with the students, and students are also giving the answers to the questions asked by ma'am. Means they are using one language to communicate with each other. I must know your language to assign work to you. Yes, ma'am needs to know the language known by the children. Children needs to know the language known by ma'am. Then only ma'am can assign the work to them and they can show their answers to the ma'am. That means they are interacting by taking help of language. Like that only, here if you want to interact with a computer, you need to know the language known by computer. Similarly, machines know the different languages, like you can see in the next page, types of computer languages. All the computer systems are having ability to understand zeros and ones. Actually that is called first generation programming language. It was very tedious to learn this language actually, because we need to give the instructions to a computer system by using zeros and ones. Because of that reason, developers developed assembly level languages. If you want to give an instruction to a machine like do the addition, one question to all of you, assume that this is the instruction for addition operation, this is the instruction for subtraction operation, this is the instruction for multiplication. One question to all of you, whether do you feel easier to remember the combinations of these zeros and ones or the word like add? Definitely you say like this, sir, for me it is very easy to remember the word add. Means in assembly level language we use different abbreviations to give the instructions to a computer system. But in machine language we use zeros and ones to instruct the machine. But in high level language we use English language and normal mathematical operators, like plus symbol we use for addition, minus symbol, multiplication symbol, division symbol. One question to all of you, whether do you feel easier to remember the plus sign or the word add or the combinations of zeros and ones? Definitely you say, sir, for me it is very easy to remember plus sign. That is what the high level language. In high level language we use normal English words. The C language is the high level language, C++ is the high level language, Java is the high level language, HTML is the high level language. Similarly, Python is the high level language. We use these high level programming languages to communicate with computers. Just only we discussed the answer for the question what is a programming language. A language that we use to program a machine is called programming language. What does programming a computer mean? Means we write one program, what that program is going to do. That program may take input from the user and that program may process to give us the desired result, and we give some instructions for taking input, and we give instructions for processing. We write some instructions to take certain decisions by using if else, nested if, elif, ladder and everything. and we can do some calculations repeatedly by using while, do while, and everything. And we can generate the results by writing expressions, and we can show the results on terminal, or you can store the results in computer's secondary memory for future use, or you can send the results to the printer, and you can send results to the printer, or you can send the results to another machine via computer network. To do all these tasks, we need to write computer programs by using different programming languages. A language that we use to program a computer is called a programming language. Now if I ask you to add 7 plus 3, you add like this. Then how do you write the program for it? Let us see the next one. Here, before discussing about how to write the programs and everything, let us spend some time to understand about who created this language. You can see the photograph of Guido van Rossum. In 1989, you can see here, in 1989 he designed and developed one programming language named Python. And nowadays the Python has become so popular because once you learn Python, you can design and develop websites, and even you can design and develop mobile apps, and you can become a data scientist. You can store, process, take decisions, do the analysis of stored data, give some conclusions to the company. That is what you may act like a data scientist if you are thorough in Python. Once you learn Python, you can convert the AI algorithms into programs, and in NASA and space related problems will be solved by writing Python codes. Python is so easy language, even kids can learn it. But kids cannot learn C language, but they can learn Python, because Python is like as if we are making use of English language. You can see here, you can see on the prompt greater than. This is what the Python prompt, import, something like that. It is very easy. Here you can see some functions are written by the person who is writing computer program, and here you can see actually fun facts about Python. Fun facts about Python means actually it was a holiday project by Guido van Rossum. Imagine it's Christmas break in 1989. Instead of just playing video games, what Guido did, do you know? Guido van Rossum decided to create a new computer language just for fun. He wanted a project that would keep him busy during the week. His office was closed, and nearby his office one circus or TV show was going on, a name from a TV show actually. You can see the word here, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido was reading scripts from a funny British show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. He loved the show's flying circus energy, which was all about being creative, silly and unpredictable. He picked the name Python because it sounded cool and mysterious. So he named this programming language as Python. And he was interested in designing and developing one language wherein less rules are used. Already you learned different languages wherein we concentrated more on opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, opening square bracket, closing square bracket, semicolon, single quote, double quote, ampersand sign. We worried more about rules and regulations. What he thought, do you know, Guido van Rossum? Why can't we design and develop one programming language which is very much similar to English? So he designed and developed it. Most coding languages look like a mess of symbols. Guido wanted Python to be different. He made it so that when you look at Python code, it almost looks like you are reading a book in English. Here if you show these lines to the kids will say the answer 100%. My dear kid, can you come nearby me? Can you guess? Can you read and predict what is going on here? That kid will read that a equals to 5 and b equals to 3. Oh, mostly a might be the variable in mathematics wherein 5 has been stored. B might be the variable wherein 3 has been stored. Answer is the variable, and it will access the contents from a and b, and 5 plus 3. 8 will be stored in the answer. Print answer, 8 will be printed. Print, the answer is 8. Oh, that means these lines are doing the addition of given two integers 5 and 3. Oh, kids understood everything. Here you can see no rules and regulations. Directly first instruction, second instruction, third, fourth, 5 instructions are here. And it powers your favorite things. Even though it started as a hobby, Python is now a super language. It is used for space. NASA uses it to talk to rockets and movies. It helps create special effects in big Hollywood films. Social media, it runs the brains of Instagram and TikTok. And let us summarize who made it. Guido van Rossum. When? December 1989, during Christmas days. Named after a comedy troupe, Monty Python. You can see the logo. Best features, it is super easy to read, understand and learn, and we can write our own program. Someone may ask you, what are the advantages of learning Python? Python has simple and clear syntax. Python is so simple to learn and no less rules and regulations. It is easy to read and understand. Even for beginners, even kids can learn it. Readable like English. Python code looks similar to English sentences, so students can understand it quickly. Used in fields like Python is used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, game development. Now you are in the first year, I think so. Once you learn these basics in first year of an engineering course, in higher semesters you are going to learn machine learning subjects, AI and ML subjects. You need to write the codes for learned algorithms. Then Python helps you a lot. So you need to know the basics of Python. High demand in jobs also. Many companies look for Python programmers. If you are good in that, definitely want to get the job also. Learning Python can improve job opportunities. Works on all platforms. Python code runs on Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac OS platform, independent programming language. A large community support is there. Millions of developers use Python. If we face any problem, we can easily find help online also. Let us conclude. Python is easy, powerful and widely used. That's why learning Python is very beneficial for students and professionals. Yes. Now thank you for listening to me and learning the first lesson. Okay, here robot is telling something to us. Just tell me. I am ready to help you. Okay, now we discussed about what is Python, then who created it, and why everyone likes Python. We learnt everything. Let us see it practically. Here you can see the icon. Can you see the icon over here? I have already installed the Python in my computer. If you want to install the Python in your computer, it is so simple to install Python. Just go to the Google and type there Python. In Google search text box you can type Python and you get one website named www.python.org. Here you can click on the downloads or click on welcome to python.org. That website is going to open for us. Here you can see the downloads and Windows, and the latest version available today is 3.14.3. Click on this. That executable file will be saved in my machine. Say OK. Then you can start installation. Don't forget to turn on one checkbox named add to path. Once you install the Python, automatically IDLE will be installed. Here you can see IDLE. In my computer, 3 times I installed Python. 3.12 I installed and 3.13 I installed, 3.14 I installed. Let us start Python 3.12. If I click on this, Python begins. Once the Python starts, I get this command prompt. This is called as command prompt. What is it? Command prompt. Command means, prompt means ask. Machine is asking us to give some commands. I am ready to work for you. Now for example, machine is ready. You can see the cursor is blinking over here and Python 3.12.4 is working for us. Now for example, dear computer, can you take one memory as A? Can you store the 7 there? Stored. In the B memory, can you store 3 please? Yes. in the answer memory, whatever is there in the A, add with B. Okay, can you show me the content of A? Okay, can you show me the content of B? Okay, can you show me the content of answer? Okay. Oh, where is the mistake? Oh, sorry, I did one mistake here. Instead of writing ANS, I typed here ABS. Even you can observe something over here, color. Okay, but you can see the different color has been used here. This is a keyword, absolute is the function. Okay, that is the mistake. I type it once again here, answer A plus B. You need to have the habit of reading error messages also. This is the error related to name error. Name error means what? We have not used the variable named ANS, we have not yet used it, we have not yet defined it, but we are trying to use it. That's why we are getting name error. Whenever we get error while working with machine, we need to have the habit of reading error messages and try to understand those things. We need to learn ourselves by doing mistakes also. Okay, now I have did the calculation once again, like answer equals to A plus B. Then I type print answer. Definitely I get it. Now print in double quote, addition is comma answer. Addition is 10. Print bracket double quote, addition of double quote. Addition of first number is available in A. Addition of A and it is a text message. Addition of A and B, whatever is there in the B, and is addition of A and B is available in answers. Now see, addition of 7 and 3 is 10. You can print the answer this way also, or second way also, or the third way. And always in order to become a good developer in company, we need to use appropriate messages like this. Then your software becomes user friendly. Whenever your software becomes user friendly, most of the customers are going to purchase that software. Boss will be happier with us. Okay, in exam also you need to give many examples like this. This is called interactive mode. Means I am interacting with computer. Print hello world. This is hello world Python program, just one line. Just print hello world. This is hello world Python program, just one line of code. Now I have given instructions one by one. Why can't you give all these instructions at once? That is script mode. I go for file, I go for new, I got the new file. How to write the comments in Python? Hash helps us to write the comment. Now my first Python script, my first Python script, A equals to 7, B equals to 3, answer equals to A plus B, then print answer, then print bracket double quote, and addition is, then answer, then you need to have the habit of doing copy paste. Edit menu, select and edit menu, copy, then edit and paste. Okay, and edit and paste. Okay, fine. Addition is so and so, and addition of okay, addition of A and addition of A and B is, addition of A and B is available in answer. Okay, then this printf I use to say thank you. Okay, now this is called Python script. How many lines of code? First line is the comment, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go to the options and show line numbers. I get the line numbers also. If you do not want the line numbers, hide line numbers. Go for the options and configure ideally. Even you can increase the font size here, 29, or options configure ideally. You can reduce to 20 or 7 I'll go for the options configure ideally. I'll go for 20, and even you can change the font also. I stick with Courier. Okay, this is what you need to learn each and everything correctly. Then I'll save it. I'll go for the save. Then I'll give the file name like pg1. program 1. I click on the save. It takes automatically pg1.py. How to run it? Run module. Now there is a mistake. Double quote is there. There is no double quote over here. I give the double quote, then file and save it. I'll go for the run. Okay, all the lines of code executed. 10 I got, and addition is 10. Addition of 7 and 3 is 10. Thank you. Even you can press Alt tab to come back to the script mode. Alt tab like this you can use, and even you can close it. And now I want to write another program. Go for file and new file, like hash Python script to find area of circle for the given radius 2.5. then radius equals to 2.5, then area equals to pi r square, 3.142 into r pi r square, then print, then area of circle is, where is it, area, then file and save area of circle ac.py, then run it. I got the, oh sorry, r is not defined. I did mistake. I used rad and here I am using r. That is wrong. I need to use rad and rad radius. Or you can change this one into r, this one also r, as you wish. I'll go for file and save, and I'll go for run and run module. I got the result. Area of circle is so and so. Okay, this is what all about today's class. In the next class I'll take you to the next topics from Python. Till then, whatever I taught in my today's class, please practice. Okay, thank you one and all. Take care.